Hey guys, we're going to give you 8 benefits of a commercial building assessment. I'm Britt from WBTreece Consultants and WBTC3.com. Let's think about these 8 benefits together. Number 1, a commercial building assessment identifies potential issues. If you do not know what is going on with your property, a commercial building assessor is trained to find out. Number 2, it ensures safety. We as commercial building assessors and inspectors, we're trained on those safety standards that your staff may or may not be trained on. A commercial building assessment prevents costly repairs. A commercial building assessment supports negotiations in a purchase setting or if you're raising funds for your building. A commercial building assessment, number 5, assesses building systems, not just structural issues. Number 6, a commercial building assessment ensures compliance with prevailing international standards. Though it's not a code inspection, it will cover those things for you. Number 7, it's not an appraisal, but it will help you assess your property value in the sense that it will give you an idea of the condition of your buildings. And finally, number 8, it provides stakeholders, managers, owners, buyers peace of mind on the property. Those are the 8 benefits of a commercial building assessment, and there's thousands more underneath them. Check us out at WBTC3.com. We'll see you next time.